Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Adobe Creative Suite. We'll begin by exploring the fundamental applications that form this powerful collection, such as Photoshop for image editing and Illustrator for vector graphics. You'll learn to navigate the consistent user interface across these programs, making your workflow smooth and efficient. We'll also highlight essential tools that are crucial for tackling diverse creative projects, from graphic design to video production, ensuring you get started on the right foot. Let's dive into the core applications. Photoshop is your go-to for intricate image editing, perfect for photo retouching or creating digital art with its hundreds of brushes and filters. For crisp logos and illustrations that scale infinitely, Illustrator is indispensable. And when you need to combine text and images into stunning brochures, magazines, or interactive PDFs, InDesign provides precise layout control, ensuring your designs look polished and professional every time. One of the greatest strengths of the Creative Suite is its seamless integration. You can easily move assets, like a logo designed in Illustrator, directly into Photoshop for a web banner, or into InDesign for a print layout. This interconnectedness saves valuable time and maintains consistency across your projects. Furthermore, cloud features allow for collaborative work, enabling teams to share files and feedback in real time, streamlining the entire creative process from concept to completion. To truly master the Creative Suite, focus on maximizing your productivity. Start by customizing your workspaces. Arranging panels and tools exactly how you prefer can save you many clicks each day. Embracing keyboard shortcuts is another game changer. Learning just 10 to 15 key shortcuts can dramatically accelerate your workflow. Remember, the Adobe community offers thousands of tutorials and resources, providing endless opportunities to expand your skills and discover new techniques.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.